Land's most accurate forecast team is on the lookout this afternoon for a powerful line of storms that may come together. At this hour, a tornado watch in effect, as you heard, for the shaded area on the map, including Burt, Harrison, and Monona counties. But that watch area could be expanded further this evening. We have complete storm team coverage for you. Chief Meteorologist Fred Hexum is at the helm in the KCAU-9 Weather Center. But we begin with meteorologist Elisa Raffa. She's live in Mapleton in Monona County, where there's a high risk of severe weather this afternoon. Elisa?
Jenna, that tornado watch is in effect here in Monona County until 10 o'clock tonight. What that means is residents here should prepare for the possibility of a tornado. So any food, snacks, medications, first aid kit, get those into the basement now or into your interior room like a bathroom or something that doesn't have windows, because that's where you could need to take shelter later if a tornado does develop. So again, we have this watch in effect until 10 o'clock. Prepare now for the possibility of a tornado later. Right now, we just see very ominous skies. It's very muggy out here. It's this mugginess that's going to be fuel for some of these storms later. And Mapleton here is no stranger to severe weather. An EF3 tornado struck Mapleton in April of 2011, leaving some damage. So again, we're just keeping an eye on the sky tonight for the possibility of a tornado. You want to prepare now for that possibility later. Just make sure everything you need is in that basement or interior room. Reporting live in Monona County, meteorologist Elisa Raffa, KCAU-9 News.
Thanks so much, Elisa. Boy, we remember that 2011 storm for sure. As you just heard from Chief Meteorologist Fred Hexum, he's tracking the potential for some severe storms this evening across the southern portion of Siouxland. At this hour, a tornado watch is in effect for the shaded area on this map, including Burt, Harrison, and Monona counties. But it's possible that the watch area could be expanded further this evening. We have complete storm team coverage. Chief Meteorologist Fred Hexum is at the helm in the KCAU-9 Weather Center. But we begin with meteorologist Elisa Raffa. She's live in Ottawa in Monona County, where there's a high risk of severe weather this evening. Elisa?
Jenna, right now we're just seeing some ominous clouds and we're seeing some rain. It is very humid out here, as you may be able to tell on my hair, but it's very humid and sticky out here, and that's only going to be the fuel to get these storms to be strong and severe later. Now, a tornado watch is in effect here in Monona County. What that means is you should prepare now for the possibility of a tornado later. So make sure you have any food, water, medication, first aid kits in your tornado safe place, whether that be the basement or an interior room with no windows. Now is the time to put what you need in those areas in case you have to take shelter from a tornado later. If you put everything where it needs to go and you don't need to take shelter, that's perfect. That's what we want to hear. But just in case you have to, you should get ready now. Again, we're not seeing really anything going on here yet in Ottawa, just some light drizzle. A couple of rumbles of thunder also that I've heard. But right now we're just dealing with this very moist air mass, and that's what's going to help bring those strong and severe storms later. Of course, we'll keep you updated here. Fred will have updates in the Weather Center. Reporting live from Monona County, meteorologist Elisa Raffa, KCAU-9 News.
I appreciate that report. Thanks, Elisa.